everyone, welcome to Learning Finnish with me. Today we are going to learn how to ask how are you and how is it going in Finnish. This is one of the first things that you can say when you meet someone. So let's get started. Mitä kuuluu? How are you? This is the most casual and friendly way to ask someone how they are. You can use it when you haven't seen the person in a while or just in a normal conversation. Miten menee? How is it going? This is more informal way of asking. This is the casual phrase and used with the friends or the familiar people. Miten voit? How are you? This typically you use when you want to ask about someone's health. This is again the formal way of asking and you use it when addressing someone you don't know very well, like in a business meeting or when talking to someone older. Hyvä, kiitos. We use this in response to question mitä kuuluu. Okay, the next is hyvin, kiitos. Good, thank you. Ihan okay. I'm fine, okay. En voi hyvin. I'm not feeling well. If you want to introduce yourself in Finnish, there are various ways to do it. Example, nimeni on. My name is. Olen, I am. Minä olen, I am. Terve, nimeni on. Hi, my name is. Or you can say olen and your profession or role that you possess. For example, I am teacher. Olen opettaja. Olen opiskelija. I am student. Now, if you want to ask someone's name, you can say mikä sinun nimesi on? What is your name? Mikä sinun nimi on? Or you can say kuka sinä olet? Who are you? Now you know how to ask how someone is in Finnish. Remember to practice and use these phrases the next time you meet your friend. If you're enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.